Hi guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today's video is all about what all brushes you need to have in your beginner's makeup kit or in your beginner's vanity. So earlier I have done the beginner's makeup kit. In that I have shown you guys all the makeup products at the affordable price, so you guys can go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So guys, I have done that and I thought why not do a brush video. So in that video I'll be showing you guys what all brushes you need to have for your face, your contour, your blush, your eye brushes. Also I'll be giving the link in the description box below of the brushes, so you guys can go and check it out. Also I'll be giving the options of the brushes which are good quality and which are at affordable price, so you don't need to go for an expensive brush set. You guys can go and you guys can check it out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Continue with the face brushes, and for that I am having this foundation brush. Guys, this brush is very dense. This brush from Amazon, it is a brush set. If I'll find, I'll just leave the link in the description box below. I got this brush before 2 years and it works amazing guys, totally amazing. So for the face, you guys can use a brush or a beauty blender. Both works equally well. This beauty blender is from Plumi. Guys, it is a microfiber beauty blender. You just have to damp the beauty blender and you have to just pat it with the product and you will get the seamless base guys, and it is really very soft guys. So next is the concealer brush, and for that I'm going to use these two brushes. Guys, these brushes are from the Brush Set company. Basically these brushes are from Canada. I have ordered these brushes 2 years ago from their website, and guys, these brushes are very good quality premium brushes. This does the job really very well. I'll just show the case. This 24 brush set which is from the Brush Set company, and this is a really very nice case. If you want to go anywhere, and this can protect your brush, and it is very compact, like it is very small only, so it fits into your luggage also. So coming back to the brushes, guys, these brushes are really good quality. The job really very well. It is very pointed and it is very sharp also. So what it does is it sets the concealer really very well and it blends in also. Also for concealer, I have this another brush from PAC Cosmetics which is in the number 219. This is how the brush looks. And guys, this does the job really very well. It is dense, it is thick, so what it does is it just goes into your inner corner. It just blends your concealer really very well guys. So next brush we have for the compact powder, which is a stippling brush, and I am having this brush which is from Cosmetica. Guys, it is a really nice stippling brush. It has a great volume. Guys, what a stippling brush does is the stippling brush gives you a very nice airbrushed makeup look. It also blends your powder really very well and it gives you a flawless finish, and also it blends the cream products like primer, foundation, etc. I use this stippling brush for applying the compact powder, so it blends really very well. I have another product for compact powder which is this brush which I have got with the Brush Set. It is really nice. This brush is really very huge, but it is very good. It blends the powder really very well and it covers your face within just 5 seconds. So it is a great brush guys. So guys, now we'll move ahead with the contour brush, and I am having these two brushes with me. This brush is from Wet n Wild and this brush is from the set which I got. So the first brush is from Wet n Wild. Guys, you guys can see the packaging. It is so sleek and it is so nice. It feels like luxurious. It's rose gold in color, and just you guys can see it has got one spot over here. It has got an ergonomic spot so your finger can rest. Guys, the bristles are very nice synthetic bristles, so when you start doing your contour, it will be always on your place. It won't move ahead or move this way. It will be always in the place. This brush is really very nice. You guys can use this brush for your nose contour as well. Guys, this brush is really very nice. It should be in your vanity guys. So the second brush, which is from Brush Set, it is also a really nice brush guys. It has got an angle to it. The bristles are very nice. It is really very soft. When you start doing your contour, it will be always in this angle, so it don't move this way also, and it really nice blends the contour. It is great for the powder contour. You guys will move ahead with the blush, and for the blush brush I am having this brush from Pro Art, which is PF07, and I am having this blush brush from the brush set. So we'll move ahead with the Pro Art one. Brush looks like, guys, the bristles are really very soft. Guys, this applies the blush really very well, and it blends the brush really good. All around, this brush is totally worth it. I'll leave the price in the description box below. You guys can get the brush from the Nykaa as well, and from the Pro Art website. So another brush which is from the brush set, this is also very, it is not very dense, it is like, it is very flat, and you guys can see how it is really very soft, guys. And what it does is, it also does the job really very well. You just need to pat the blush, and you have to just blend it into your skin, and this blends magically. So here comes everyone's favorite part, which is the highlighter. And for the highlighter brush, using this Pro Art PF14 brush, it has got slightly rounded edges to it, but this brush is really very soft, and it is a bit dense also, as you guys can see. Applies the highlighter like magic. I have done today's highlighter with this brush, and as you guys can see how the highlighter is popping up, and it is very blended also. This brush is basically a small powder brush, but I am using this brush for highlighter, and trust me guys, this works really very nice. It is great on the price point side. You will always get this on discount. Another brush which is great for the highlighter is this Euro Paris fan brush in the number 141. This brush is really very nice, guys. It is very precise, it is very small, so it does the job really very well. And I'm moving ahead with the eye brushes, and for that we are moving with the main eye brush, which is a blending brush, guys. I know your blending for the eye should be always on point. So first we are moving with this Euro Paris 117 brush. You guys can see it is really very fluffy blending brush. Guys, this brush is very nice, very good quality. And what this brush does, when you just take the powder on the brush and you start applying on the eye, this really blends the eyeshadow very nicely. Because it is fluffy, it blends in very easily, so you don't need to put any pressure. Guys, this is a really nice brush. You guys need to have this brush in your vanity, and I swear by this brush. The three brushes, these two are from Amazon and the one is from the brush set. So we'll talk about this. This brush is really very nice. It is really very good quality, and it is slightly denser. It is not the fluffier like Euro Paris. It just does the job really very well, guys. So another two brushes which is from Amazon, perfectly it blends your eyeshadow really very well. You guys can see it is really very soft, and it is really very good quality brush. So this is another brush from the brush set, guys. It is a really very flat brush. It's very thin. So what it does, guys, if you want to apply any color eyeshadow onto your starting area of the eye, or if you want to pat any glitter on the middle of the eye, then this is the perfect brush, guys. I swear by this brush, and I use this brush for my color application or for my glitter application also. I'll give the another option for this brush, so you guys just don't worry. I'll just leave the link in the description box below. This is the Euro Paris brush in the number 104, and you guys can say it is really very small, and it is really very dense. It just has got this much amount of brushes, so it is great for your lower lash line. I'll just take the normal amount and I'll just smudge it. So this does the job really very well. It doesn't hurt my eyes, and it is really very good quality brush. Please, you guys need to have this brush in your vanity. So after completing the eye look, your eyeliner is very important, and for that I am having these two brushes. The one is from Cosmetica, it is the pointed eyeliner brush, and the another one is which is from Vega, it is the eyeliner brush. both are having the very nice pointed tip. It applies your liner like very smoothly. You don't have to put any pressure. You guys can see how I have applied this liner. I have applied this from this brush, and this brush is really very nice, and the brushes are very affordable of Cosmetica brand. You guys can get these brushes from Nykaa. Also, you guys can go and check it out, the Vega one also. The Vega one are also very affordable. Both the brush does the job really very well, and it works similar. This is for the eyebrow, and I am having this two brushes, the spoolie and an angular brush. This angular brush is from Euro Paris, which is in number 102. Guys, it is the perfect angular brush. You guys can use this angular brush for your liner as well if you are a beginner. It is great. It has this angle to it, so you guys can apply your wing liner at the same time. Guys, it is really very nice angular brush. So what you guys can do, you guys can take the product and you guys start filling your brows, and it is great. Guys, it don't take so much of the product. That is really very plus point. It just take the minimum amount of the product, and it just give you the medium to buildable coverage for your brows, so it don't look very dark and fake. Guys, also a spoolie is really very important in your vanity. Guys, you guys need to have a spoolie, and this one is from the brush set also. It does the job really very well. So the last brush which is in my list is a lip brush. Guys, you guys need to have a lip brush in your vanity. This one is from Vega. It has the pointed side and it has the V. It is slightly thick from the another one. So you guys need to line your lip on this side, and then afterwards you guys need to fill inside with this side, so you guys will get a nice plumpier lips. Nice, it is very affordable, and you guys will get this from Nykaa also. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. If it does, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. I'll come up with another video for you guys. See you.